Hello everyone, welcome to another assembly. My name is Chris, for those that can't remember, and I have with me Saffron. Now for those that don't know, Saffron is my colleague, a team member at Youth for Christ. She's also one of my friends, and she will be here today to help me with my assembly. Saffron, why don't you say hi to everyone?
Hi guys!
Today for our assembly, the reason I got Saffron is we're going to play a game of rock, paper, scissors, but with a twist. So, for instance, if we were to go rock, paper, scissors, shoot, right, that's a draw, so we do it again. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot, boom, Saffron would win.
Oh, I say which we were playing.
And she would get to pick what she would put on my pillow, because then I would have to put my face in what she picked. Okay, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Snip, 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 snip. Flour, please. Put that flour on.
No.
Put the flour on. Face in, boom. There we go, nice, all right, easy, easy, okay. Next one.
Yes!
Ah,
Beans.
Beans.
Beans,
Oh,
100%
beans, beans. It's got sausages in it. Oh, yeah, bonus.
Beans is my worst one, for sure.
3, 2, 1. Oh, man, that's cold. That's cold. Okay, so the next one.
Now flour.
Flour. Oh, this is gonna get sticky. This is great. This is good.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yes. I'm gonna have custard, please. I'm gonna some of this tomato.
Tomatoes.
It's got garlic in it.
It
You're gonna
has.
sting.
I know. I love garlic. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh no!
Okay, I'm gonna go for tomatoes. It smells so bad.
Chopped tomatoes with garlic.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, that is so
I keep
bad.
getting the taste of it.
Oh, that is so bad. Ready?
Yes.
Oh,
Okay,
no.
I'm gonna go for the horseradish.
Oh, no! Oh no, I'm regretting this so bad. I'm regretting this so bad. Can't put any more than that because it's so...
It's gonna
Oh no!
stick.
Oh my eyes! Oh my eyes! Oh my eyes! Ah! It burns! It's actually burning! Ah! It's got time! It's time! I'm from one! I'm from one! Ah! Ah!
It goes without saying, guys, don't try that at home, especially with horseradish sauce, because that was so sore. What was that all about? Well, what I want to think about today is I want to think about a word called resilience. Being resilient, showing resilience. Now, resilient is when we recover quickly from difficult situations. So in that game, Saffron and I, we had to recover quickly after our faces were shoved in all sorts of different things. We had to be resilient, recover quickly. And if I'm honest with you, I don't think I need to explain what that is, because you have, each and every one of you has shown an amazing resilience to go through what you've gone through. I never had to go through that whilst I was at school. You have done incredible. You have shown amazing resilience, and I think that deserves a pat on the back. Give yourself a pat on the back. You've been resilient, but if we're honest with you, it has been tough, hasn't it? It's been a little bit difficult. So what happens when that recovery takes a little bit longer? When it takes a little bit more time to be resilient because things are just tough. In the Bible it says this: even those who are young grow weak. Young people can fall exhausted, but those who trust in the Lord for help will find their strength renewed. They will rise on wings like eagles. They will run and not get weary. They will walk and not grow weak. That is my favourite Bible verse out of all the Bible. And it's often one that I would quote to myself when things get tough. Do you know, Jesus is somebody who showed great examples of resilience, somebody who kept on going and recovered quickly when things got tough, and he faced some pretty difficult things whilst he was on this earth. And the reason why I think he did that was because he asked for help. He came to God in prayer and asked him for help. Asking for help is a really important part of being resilient, and you guys have shown amazing resilience, but you don't have to do it on your own. Asking for help, whether it's a friend, a family member, a grandparent, a teacher, is a really important thing to remember in being resilient. And as a Christian, I know that I can come to God in prayer and ask him for help. And in that Bible verse, it says that he will renew my strength. He will help me to recover quickly and keep on going, being resilient. And I want to encourage you to remember to ask for help. Whether it's you come to God in prayer, or whether you go to another family member or whoever it may be, ask for help. You don't have to do this by yourself. In a community, we support one another. And I encourage you to do just that. So guys, thank you very much for listening to me again. Thank you for this assembly. God bless. Take care of yourself, and I will see you soon.